Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can add a 4K add-on on your YouTube TV. So if you want to add a 4K add-on, you can simply go to the top right corner and you can go to settings. So in the settings, as you can see, this is the 4K plus plan, and it says that it requires a base plan, and then you can simply purchase this add-on. It will have the 4K content. It will allow you to download the content as well. So there will be a few content that you will be able to download after getting this 4K plan, and then unlimited streams at home as well. So you can also learn more about it by clicking learn more, and then you can simply click add, and then you can pay for this plan. So I hope this was helpful and this resolved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.